Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having an automatic transmission. You have problems with the transmission fluid temperature sensor. You want to know what it looks like, where it's located. Usually stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So we have that automatic transmission here. It's actually a Hyundai Kia transmission, but it has been used in Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicles as well. The world is a complicated thing nowadays. Sometimes transmissions can be used in up to 50 models of vehicles, guys, and different brands as well. The same thing can occur with engines in some cases as well. But that's a front-wheel drive car. Okay, so the transmission open most likely will be facing this way on the front of the car. You can see that's the engine. Okay, when you open the hood, we have the oil pan removed, which is right here. And if you guys want to see how to remove oil pan on transmission, we have it on the channel, so please check it out. Not very complicated at all. With that being said, guys, once you remove your oil pan, you need to drain the transmission fluid. Common mistake people make when they actually add transmission fluid later, you need to make sure that you follow the procedure to check correctly the transmission fluid level. If you overfill it or not have enough oil, you can destroy your transmission. Also, if you're changing the fluid, sometimes it's recommended to change your transmission fluid up to 3 times, guys, for the next 200-300 miles. We have a special video that explains how often to change transmission fluid. Check it out, it's on the channel, and it will teach you why you need to do that up to 3 times in some cases. So with that being said, once you remove the oil pan, you will get to the valve body. That's where the magic happens. The valve body is controlled by solenoids that divert oil flow through different portions of the valve body. From there the transmission practically will shift. So that's the electronic component of the transmission. Then usually you have 3 sensors inside. One is known as input sensor, output sensor, input speed sensor, output speed sensor, and transmission fluid temperature sensor. And the input and output speed sensor, I can see the input is right here actually on this transmission, but you need to remove usually your valve body to get to them. But usually the transmission fluid temperature sensor is located on the valve body somewhere, guys. We're going to go ahead and remove this one so we can show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and remove that bolt. That's the transmission fluid temperature. It just has one bolt holding it, and it looks like a little bitty temperature, guys, practically. We dropped the screw in the transmission fluid. That will be nasty. So that's the sensor right here, and what it does practically reads the transmission fluid temperature, make sure that the transmission is not overheating, and you may get warning lights, and other things as well. If that sensor goes bad, you have engine light as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what it looks like. That's where usually it's located on most transmissions. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.